If you're wondering how to automatically accept Skool members and streamline your community management, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic member acceptance in Skool, as well as go through the pros and cons of this feature. But stick around till the end, because I'm going to give you some alternatives that might be better suited to your needs, and they come with exclusive benefits. Let's jump straight into it. Skool is a popular community platform designed to bring people together around courses and learning content. But when it comes to managing members and ensuring smooth access, the automatic member acceptance feature can save you a lot of time. The first thing to know is that, by default, Skool requires manual approval for each member who requests access to your community. But with the right settings, you can easily automate this process so that as soon as someone requests to join, they're automatically accepted without any extra work on your part. This can be especially useful if you have a growing community and want to keep things as efficient as possible. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Settings section in Skool. Under the Membership settings, you'll see an option for member approval. By toggling this to Automatic, new members will be approved as soon as they request to join. This is perfect if you're offering a paid membership or if you want people to get access immediately after signing up. But the catch is, if you're not paying attention, you could end up with people joining your community that you don't want in. The third thing to consider is that while automatic member acceptance can save you time, it also removes a layer of control. Some users may prefer manually vetting who enters their community to ensure the quality of interaction or to prevent spam accounts. And although Skool does provide basic filters, there are still chances that members who don't align with your community's values may slip through. You'll want to weigh that risk before enabling auto-accept. The fourth thing to mention is how Skool's interface can be a bit clunky for managing members, especially as your community grows. While automating member approval helps, other parts of the member management system might feel a bit limited compared to other platforms. For instance, there's a lack of advanced filtering options, and some community builders might find this frustrating when trying to manage a large number of people quickly. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're really looking for a more streamlined and customizable community experience, especially when it comes to member management, platforms like Mighty Networks or Circle might be a better fit. These platforms offer more robust automation features, like advanced member segmentation and automated approval workflows, which can save you even more time. Finally, here's something you won't find everywhere. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to Skool, along with the benefits we mentioned earlier. But we've also included some alternatives in the description below that can offer better solutions for managing your members, and they also come with free trials for you to test. If you want an even more powerful setup, check out the options that give you full control and automation right out of the box. Make sure to check out the links in the description to get the best free trials and exclusive perks, and don't forget to see how these alternatives could make member management easier for your community.